YouTube, my look on that little, where I call this now. Them say a deer whistle. You understand me there? Truck stop right now, you hear some trucker, you know. So that now, flatbed, I go on to them thing.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Then a place called Manitoba. See the by GPS. If you can see it good. Yeah. So here we go now. The deer alarm thing here. Me kind of feel say it work, to be honest with you. I always buy them and put them on for my vehicle. Me encounter with a deer on one time, lick him down, and he mash up the whole of the bumper and the radiator in the truck mash up. You understand? I work for the Easons, I work for the first company. And a little bit after the company order some of them things and put them on the truck, them say them don't know if it work, them not try it. And to be honest with you, when I get this on my truck, I actually not see no more deer. I don't know if it work or what, but I tell you the truth, I encounter no more deers, to be honest with you. So I just buy it. The other company I go to work, I buy it and put it on the truck. The next company I go, I buy it and put it on the truck. Same way. So I buy it and put it on my truck now because I want those 13 and a half feet. I feel it work. I'm not sure, but I mean, I not see no deer when I buy it, you know what I mean? So I just put it on the truck and you know. So you go, deer whistle. Better safe than sorry. $13 than I'm want $3,000 for fix, you know? So you put out with deer whistle, you know. I cut the package already still because I never go vlog nothing about it still, but you know, I'm not gonna lose nothing from it. So I gotta just put it on the truck, buy it, put it on, and so I go and feed, you see me? Yeah, I never vlog nothing about it still or talk about it, but you know, like I feel it work, you know. I never matter over mine or mine over matter or whatever. I feel, I gotta just put it on. I mean, I always buy it and put it on. I put it on my truck. It says I whistle, they hear them ear. Like when they fall up on the road, them ear, obviously I come and just run out of the road or whatever them do, or if they at the bush, them run to the side or whatever. I just feel like I put it on, I feel like it work. You see me I say? So right now I'm in Manitoba, I'm going to throw it on for my truck. I have some more hills and journey for finish up, you know. I'm not do the journey not finish yet, you know. You understand what I mean? So I'm going to do that right now and throw it on for the truck and show no where I go. I'm not know where to put it yet, but I put it on for the truck, you know. YouTube, I feel like I'm going to put it right here, so you know. I feel like I'm going to put it right side of the, okay, so it's a draw block and everything. I feel like I'm going to put it right here, so right at the edge. Right at the edge of the tip right here, so wipe off the cloth and just put it on right there. So basically it come with a little, just tape on thing like, see it look there? Like the breeze blow through that, enter through this and it sound you know, a little whistle thing. So I just put it right here, so. You know what I mean? Yeah. Match up with the black and the wall and ray and make it stay right there. So nothing wrong with that. You know what I mean? You're not lose nothing. Not ugly with the truck or nothing, so yeah. See there, YouTube? See there? No look too bad. Alright, right there, someone put it. Put one on the side here and one on the next side. So see the next one then. So basically I hate that. Nothing wrong with that.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.